Hello friends, it's Amir Iqbal Khan from Amir's Tech YouTube channel. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about inventory management system, which is designed in Tkinter library of Python, and meanwhile MySQL for its backend database. First of all, this is the demo video of the project because I don't want to go deeper into this prior to its demo because lots of people will not know what's the actual content of this project. So for in order to know what's the um, uh, inventory management system and what this system is gonna do, we have to know what is inside this software. So here I have the menus. You can see the overall GUI of this system. You can see menu, employees, suppliers, categories, products, sales, tax, exit. This um, is so necessary for inventory management system. An inventory consists of employees, suppliers, categories, products, sales, taxes, and anything else which is required in inventory management system. So first, we have lots of frames, 5 frames for total employees, total suppliers, total categories, total products, and total sales for the overall calculation of this system, that how many employees do I have, how many suppliers do I have, and etc. So first of all, I will start from the employees section. If you click on this button, you will be redirected to another frame, which is this frame. And in this frame, you can see I have a tree view which stores all the records in a table manner. So I have employee ID, gender, employment type, which these two have its own combo boxes. Each of those combo boxes stores values such as male and female. Employment type has its own values such as full-time, part-time, casual, contract, and intern. You have the others field here to enter the address of the employee, name, date of birth, education, date of joining, user type. Any combo boxes you see here in this interface has its own values, and that's not recommended. It's recommended, but it's not that much mandatory to be the fixed thing as I have designed it for my own project. So you can change anything you want here in this project. You can just insert your own values to the combo boxes, and meanwhile you have to insert it into the database by yourself. You have the education field, the Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Computers, Master of Technology, anything is mentioned here in the education side. In the user type, you have the admin and the employee, email, contact, work shift. You can see there are 3 values here in this combo box: morning, evening, and night. The salary and the password, whenever you click on any of them, you fill these entries, and you click on the add button, it will be automatically added to this tree view, and meanwhile its backend database will be updated with the values you enter here in these entry fields. Meanwhile, if you click on any row here in the tree view, if you want to update it, just make sure you just update something in this entry. So if you can see, I will just click on update, and data has been successfully updated. You can simply click on any data row here in this tree view and simply click on delete. Do you really want to delete the record? Yes, I want to delete. Record has been successfully deleted. You can see now there's no one named Hasanullah here in this tree because I have deleted that. If you click on clear, all the data will be cleared, which is in the tree view, not in the tree. Sorry, not in the tree view, but in the entry fields. Clear. You see, anything is cleared. So I have another feature here in this menu of the employees. I have the search. Uh, like, what are you searching? For example, here in this project, I've just added a few entries just for the sake of description. But this system can handle 1,000 entries, and based on that, you can search by in employee ID, name, email, employment type, education, work shift. If I click on name and type Amir, let's search it. You can see there are 3 values here in this tree view by the name of Amir. If you click on show all button, everything will be appeared automatically here. So you can also search based on different aspects of search values like email, name, employment type, education, anything else. So if you come into the suppliers page, this will be the suppliers page because the suppliers, those that they are supplying items to the inventories, as their own invoice number, name, contact, and this description. And the functionality of these four buttons is the same of as the employees buttons, as of these frame buttons. So if you click on invoice number 110, name Ahmad, supplier contact will be 0777777. Description will be located in India. And if you click on save, you can see data has been successfully inserted. This is the data. If you want to click on this and update it into Mahmoud, and you see, if you click on update, the data is automatically updated into Mahmoud. If you click on clear, the entry fields will be cleared. Notice that there I have added another feature, which any value you click on that, you select any value in the tree view, will be automatically added into these entry fields. So if I click on this, you see every relevant data is added to its own entry field. So if I click on delete, record has been successfully deleted. The same feature of the search is added to the suppliers page. You can search any supplier by its own invoice number. And if I search for sixth, so you can see in the sixth invoice ID, I have Amir Iqbal Khan, its supplier contact, description. And if I click on show all, anything will be appeared back in the tree view. So in the categories, you can see I just chose random image for my project. I don't consider image more important. Yeah, images plays an important role of GUI interfaces, specifically in the side of designing it, but I just chose random images for my project. You can choose your own versions of image. Here in the category details, I have the ID, category name, and the description. And meanwhile, you can add all things regarding the categories. So you have the ID, you have the category name, you have the description of the category. You can add them, you can clear them, you can delete them from into the tree view. Here in the product section, I have the combo boxes of categories. These combo boxes fetch all the data from the category section automatically to this combo box. Whenever you add any category here, that category will be fetched automatically into this combo box, and simply you can choose from this combo box the type of in the category of the product. So this is the same as the category. Suppliers information in this combo box is fetched automatically from the suppliers page. And if you come into the name, you can enter the name of the supplier, the name of the product, sorry, the price, the discount for the price, the quantity, the status of the product, whether it is active or inactive. You can add those, update those, delete those, and clear those entries which you want to be here in this tree view. If you want this to be deleted, simply you click on delete, and this is deleted. The same with the sales. You have here the product details, but this is referred to the sales menu. Here in the sales menu, you have the product ID, name, category, unit of measure, price per unit, purchase price, selling price, quantity, expiry date. It has its own date here, the discount, the tax, the subtotal in the note. So you can add that, update that, delete that, clear that into your databases in the backend and also in the GUI tree view. So the search is the same as the other menus. You can search it by product ID, by category, and by measurement. If you come into these two parts, you can see customer table and transaction summary. This button stores all the details of the customers, customer ID, name, contact, customer address, customer type, additional notes. You can do the same thing with these things, these buttons, add, update, delete, clear as the before menus. So if you go back and you come into transaction summary, you can see there is transaction ID, transaction date, transaction time, payment type, payment status, payment type and payment status both has combo boxes. You can see the methods of the payment, whether it's credit card, debit card, MasterCard, PayPal, cash, and COD, cash on delivery. So if you come into the payment status, you can see there is completed, pending, failed, in progress, and refunded payment status, whether a status of a payment is completed, failed, anything. And total amount handled by nodes is added through these entries. You can delete, update, add, and clear all the records here. And simply, if you click on the tax menu, here in the tax menu, another window will appear. And whenever you click on this, all the taxes will be applied on the person who is purchasing from the inventory management system. The tax will be automatically applied on that. So we have the exit button and the logout button. The difference between these two is this closes all the program, and the logout button will refer you to the login or a logout registration form, which might a person using this inventory management, or an organization using this management system, will have 3 or 4 persons which will be working in this software. So the roles of their of them will be different. Like admin will be accessing this, employee will be accessing this too. So for that, you're gonna log out from the system, enter your own ID and password, and throw that enter to this system. So if I click on exit, you can see, do you really want to exit the window? Yes. So this was the demo for this project, inventory management system designed in Tkinter Python, which is used for GUI. And meanwhile, I designed anything for its backend database in MySQL. So thank you very much. Follow us, subscribe us, do share, and um, comment us if there is any feedback, and I will be referring to your comments one by one. Thank you, friends.